Yeah. Yeah. All you have to do is bring one other person. How hard is that? One other person. It's like, oh, well, I'm already late. Every time it's 3:01. It's 3:01. It's my clock. I'm like, like when you only have 8 hours, when you stay in a couple extra minutes, might help out. I mean, even if it's only like 50 seconds or whatever, but yeah, I'll save as much as you can.